In this video, you will learn how to know the most watched pin in Pinterest. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you have to scroll through a lot of images. But I want you guys to know that last year Pinterest removed a feature called views, and you can't be able to see any views of your post or any person post, but you can see their like and comment, and this is the only way that you can see their views and know their popularity. As you can see, this post get 854 like and 36 comments, and that's how you can know their engagement and their popularity. So if this video helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.